and welcome to Upcycling SOS. Today we're going to try and take the bumper. Several different torque screws ranging from top of the bonnet, down the wheel arch and underneath. So what I'll do is I'll take you closer and show you where they all are and what torque screws that they will take. There's also some trim clips on the bonnet. So first of all, let's go and have a look under the bonnet. Alright, so under the bonnet we've got torque screw, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trim clips and one more torque screw. So let's take them off first of all. T25s. There's the T25s. For the trim clips, I've got the tool. Now I've seen this done where you just press down the side, they pop up and then you just lift them. Let's see. Quite easy. That's the top part done. Now I'll show you the wheel arch. Okay, now under the wheel arch, and there's 5 T25s torque screws. Make sure you point the tyre towards the framework or the body itself to have an easier access. So we'll take these off, and then there's 5 identically on the other side. Right, underneath the car you've got 8 or 9 of them, I can't remember how many, but I've taken them out slightly so you could have a slightly better view. So I need to undo all of those as well. In the video, before you started taking off the bumper, I saw that it took the headlight off, possibly to get to the connector, the electrical connector. So we'll try that, it might make it a lot easier. So you've got 2 torque screws here, both of them are T30, and here you've got a little plug, so you just turn and pull. This one is 25, a 30 and a 25. It's a bit strange. Should just pull out and then I'll disconnect it. For this one, I don't know if you can see that, I'll put it back in. I'll get it closer. There's the connector there. Here you've got a little tab, just push it in and pull. That's free. Okay, now let's try and get access to this. Now the connector should be around here somewhere. So we just pry this out. And there we go. I don't have access to the clips from here. I don't know how he did it, but it looks like I'm going to have to do the same over there. Oh, here we go. Here we are. Just pull it a little bit more. I got connectors down here. I'll bring it closer so you can have a look. There, you see this one? There's another one here. You see that one? Let's see about this one then. Wish I had a light. Oh, there's a. Just heard the click, so off. Should be able to just pull it free now. There, that's one of them. Now just this one. In the end, I was just playing with it, and there's a toggle here, and then you just push down and pull. Push down and pull, and that's it. That's all it was. Right, let's get the rest of it off. So we'll just pry it from here the way we did earlier. Right, all I've got to do now, I've got to disconnect. Oh, oh. That's for the headlamp washer. So let's see what we do with this one. Just pull it off. Or do we take the whole thing off? I think it's going to be easier just to take the whole thing off. There's some torque screws here. I'll have a look to see what they are. There's probably 25s. Just taking the headlamp cover off. There we go. And that is it. And that's how you remove a bumper. Now, it came with a few challenges, I will admit, but now that I know how to do this, now I can try and fix this headlamp washer, replace this grill, the bottom here, and then I've got a little crack here that I need to sort out. So I can do another video now on all of these, but this is how. And to put it back on is exactly the same but in reverse, exactly the same. What I'd found, that if I put the bonnet on and then screw these two in first, not tight, loose, that way I've got a platform to step on, and then I can just slot everything into place, screw it back up, tighten those up, put the trim clips back on, happy days. So that's it, bumper removal. Now, this, I will admit now, full honesty, this is my second attempt. Yesterday, well, this happened. Can't get the connector off. Get these off. Okay, abort. So as you can see, I got into a bit of bother, but at least I found out I can take it off. Just not fully. I couldn't disconnect it because I didn't know how to. All I needed to do was apply brute strength. I must have been weak yesterday, I don't know. But yeah, there we go. Bonnet's off. Happy days. So, like if you liked the video. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. Comment. How did it go? I mean, I know it was a second attempt and all, but all the same, any use of it, because I couldn't find anything, especially with the wipers, the headlamp washers. So, if it's of any use, fantastic. Maybe it was just a bit of enjoyment for you, a bit of fun, because that's all it is, a bit of fun. Yeah. So until the next time then, recycle, reuse, upcycle. Bye for now.